Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we love to share delicious recipes and teach you how to make them. Today, we're going to dive into the world of chocolate cakes and learn how to make a simple, yet scrumptious, chocolate cake. First, let's gather our ingredients. 100 grams of cake powder, 30 grams of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, 150 grams of granulated sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 2 chicken eggs, 100 milliliters of fresh milk, 80 milliliters of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla scent, and 100 ml. Now, let's get baking. Mix all the dry ingredients together, and then combine the wet ingredients in a separate bowl. Slowly add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, and stir until everything is well combined. Pour the batter into a greased cake pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. And there you have it, a delightful chocolate cake, perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more tasty recipes. Thanks for joining us, and happy baking!